संज्ञा और आप देख रहे हैं स्पॉट बॉय, सब कुछ बॉलीवुड। स्पॉट बॉय के लास्ट एडिशन में हमने आपको बताया कैसे कंगना रनौत जा मिली एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर से। पर अगर सही मायने में किसी को डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत है तो वो है ऋतिक रोशन। उनके लीगल वोज दिन पर दिन बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं। Another legal notice has been slapped on the star. Here, take a look. ऋतिक रोशन के लीगल ट्रबल्स हैं नेवर एंडिंग। कंगना रनौत के 21 पेज लीगल नोटिस के बाद अब ऋतिक हैज बीन स्लैप्ड विद येट अनदर वन। जनवरी में ऋतिक ने ट्वीट किया, There are more chances of me having an affair with the Pope than any of the women the media has been naming. Thanks but no thanks. ऋतिक के इस कमेंट से लोग हैं नाखुश। डॉक्टर इब्राहिम मथाई, एक्स वाइस चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टेट्स माइनॉरिटीज कमीशन एंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन क्रिश्चियन वॉइस ने भेजा है ऋतिक को अ क्रिमिनल नोटिस अंडर सेक्शन 295A ऑफ इंडियन पीनल कोड। सेक्शन 295A deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion or religious beliefs. स्पॉट बॉय से बात करते हुए डॉक्टर मथाई ने कहा, Why demean the Pope? Hrithik has a right to have relations with anybody, but the Pope is not a common man. He is the religious head of Catholics all over the world. Besides, Hrithik's stupid tweet gives rise to too many inferences. The actor in question has set a very bad example for the youth of India. Importantly, he has forgotten that he has thousands of fans from the Catholic community. Spot Boy के पास है copy of the legal notice served by Dr. Mathai through his lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui, जो कंगना के lawyer भी हैं. Our client Dr. Ibrahim Mathai is extremely hurt by your disobedient and inexcusable comments. Our client has accordingly placed in our hands the said matter in which regard we under unequivocal instructions from our client we would like to hereby record as under. That you are fully aware of the fact that Pope Francis is the 266th and the current Pope of the Roman Catholic Church, who is largely and popularly referred to as Pope. That you are also fully aware of the fact that the Pope inter alia has on various occasions condemned homosexuality. You have yet, through your statement, have malifiedly, mischievously and intentionally insulted as well as defiantly ridiculed the Pope by suggesting that the respected and chaste Pope is available to have an affair with you. By making such a statement on a public platform, you have not only willfully challenged the chastity of the respected Pope, but have also shown him in poor light. Be aware that by indulging in such a criminal act, you have rendered yourself guilty and liable to be tried under the provisions of Section 295A of the Indian Penal Code. You are hereby given a last and final chance to tender a public apology in the said matter within 7 days from the date of receipt of this notice by you. Wow, Hrithik now has a lot to deal with. However, सवाल ये है कि अब जाके क्यों डॉक्टर मथाई ने दिया है लीगल नोटिस, जबकि ऋतिक ने ट्वीट किया एट द एंड ऑफ जनवरी। डॉक्टर मथाई का रीजनिंग है, Look, I am neither from the film industry nor I am interested in films. I didn't even know until a couple of days ago that Hrithik had put out such a stupid tweet. Well, let's see Hrithik अपने आप को इस लीगल टैंगल से कैसे करते हैं फ्री।